I've built multiple companies and coached over 10,000 entrepreneurs. But today I want to tell you what I would do if I woke up tomorrow with nothing. Zero in the bank, no network, no reputation, just me and a blank slate. Because I see people overthink this constantly, and the path is simpler than you think. Step 1. Spend 30 days building one sellable skill, not learning 20 things. 1. Look at what companies are paying for right now: €, copywriting, video editing, data analysis, web development, AI prompting. Pick the one that aligns with what you already do well and go all in. 30 days of focused 4-hour sessions and you will be competent enough to charge for it. Most people waste years trying to become an expert before they earn $1. You don't need to be the best. You just need to be useful to someone. Step 2. Get your first paying client before you spend $1 on your business, before you build a website, before you buy software, before you print a business card. Find one person who has the problem your skill solves and offer to fix it for them. That first transaction, €, even if it's $200 €, changes everything. It tells your brain this is real. Most people want to build a perfect business. Successful people go get their first dollar first. Step 3. Reinvest 100% of your early income back into the machine, not into lifestyle, not into anything you want, back into tools, mentorship, and skill. When I made my first real money, I bought better equipment, paid for coaching, and invested in learning that made me 3 times faster. Every dollar I made me more capable of making more. Think of early money like rocket fuel. You don't celebrate it €, you burn it to go higher. Step 4. Build your reputation louder than your portfolio. Post what you're learning. Share what you're building. Document the wins and the setbacks publicly. Most beginners are too embarrassed to show imperfect work, but showing up consistently online builds more trust than any polished portfolio ever will. By month 3, people start coming to you. That's the moment momentum shifts. Step 5. Raise your prices every 90 days. Most people undercharge forever because they fear rejection. But here's what I know. If every client says yes immediately, your price is too low. You should be losing 30 to 40% of leads on price alone. Raising your rate isn't arrogance, euros. It's a signal to the market and to yourself about the value you create. Step 6. Hire your first contractor before you feel ready. The moment you are working 50+ hours a week and still falling behind, you are the bottleneck. Find one person who can handle what consumes most of your time but doesn't require you specifically to do it. Free yourself to do only the work that only you can do. Wealth is not built by doing more. It's built by doing the right things and letting everything else go. Step 7. Build a second income stream using money from the first. Once you have consistent revenue, take a percentage and put it into something that earns without your direct effort, €, index funds, a digital product, rental income, whatever fits your situation. You are one crisis away from broke as long as you have a single source. The goal is 3 income streams within 3 years. Step 8. Commit right now to never stopping your education. Every highly successful person I have met is obsessed with getting smarter. They read, they hire coaches, they attend events, they ask questions and stay humble long after they have every reason to be arrogant. The moment you decide you know enough, you stop growing euros and the world moves past you. Success is not a destination. It is a commitment to never fully arriving. If I had $0 and had to start over today, I would follow those 8 steps in exactly that order. The plan is not complicated. What's hard is the discipline to actually execute it. But if you are watching this right now, you already have the one thing that matters most, the decision to do something different.